Okay, year 8, let's have a look at the algebra test solutions. In the multiple choice, the coefficient of b has got to be -1. Okay, 1/5 of the sum of k and 9, that's k plus 9, both divided by 5. This is the only one, so it's C. Here, which of the following expressions is not equivalent to the others? You'll see that this 8x minus x gives 7x, whereas this one gives 6x, B gives 6x, 2x plus 4x, and then D gives 6x, 4x plus 2x, and E gives 6x. So this is the only one that gives 7x. In question 4, like terms, Q and Q squared, the only two that are alike, P and P are alike, so it's E. Now in, question 5, AB and BA are the only two like terms. You look through all the others, there's no other like term, so it has to be C. When you simplify this, multiply -6 by 2, you get -12. So 8 minus 12 is going to be -4, and 6 times -3w will be -18w. So the only one that's got that is this one here. That's A. The highest common factor of both 12abc squared and a squared bc. 6 goes into both 12 and 18, that's the highest factor, and A, B, and C go into both, so it has to be E. Now the expression for the area of the rectangle, that's 3A, 3 times A, area equals length times width, so that times that one, plus B times A, so plus AB. All right, now the short answer section, 4 times 7, 28, and A, B, C, D. 3 times, or 3xy times 8yz will give you 24x squared z. In this one here, you can cancel down both the E, and 5 goes into 25 5 times, so you're left with 5f. And in this one here, you can see that you can cancel that 5 goes into 15 3 times. Oops, and then it goes into 48 times. Then the y is y squared, cancels y goes into y squared y times, and the z doesn't go at all. The x cancels out, so you're left with 3y over 8z. Simplify the following. 3 minus 1 is 2, so that's 6x plus 2. 12 minus 14 gives you -2, so it's -2m. When you add 4a plus 3a, you get 7a, and then 9a minus b is 8b. Now expand the brackets, multiply everything inside the bracket by what's outside. So 3 7s are 21. 3 times 6, -6k is 21 minus 18k. Again, the same thing, -30a minus 48b, because you multiply 5a by -6 and then 8b by -6. This one here, 4x times 4 is 16x, 4x times 11y is 44xy, plus 2x, 16x plus 2x becomes 18x plus 44xy. Factorise the following. Highest common factor of 6a and 9ab is 3a, so it goes into 6a twice, and it goes into 9ab 3b times. Now the highest common factor of both 35 and 20 is 5, and the highest common factor of x squared and x is x, and there's no common factor between y and z, so 5x bracket 7x minus 4z. When you multiply that out, that's what you get. An electrician has a call-out fee of $40 and $60 per hour, so the constant term, which is always 40, that's the constant term, cost will be 60 times h, or 60h plus 40, which is a linear equation. Now, if a job takes 3 hours, that will be 60 times 3. That's 180 plus the 40. The cost, which the answer must be in dollars, in context, $220. Now, use your rule to work out how many hours the electrician worked. So if it costs $400, you take off, right, 40. That should be there. That should be 4 400, shouldn't it? That should be 400. Let's get rid of that. That should be 400. That correctly. 400 minus 40 equals 360. So 360 divided by 60, because you've got 60, it's going to be 6. Therefore, H equals 6. Therefore, the job took 3 hours. Fully simplify the following. 4x plus 6x plus 3, 6x plus 7, and then 5 times 2w is 10w, minus 15, minus w, and then minus 6. So you've got 10w minus w is 9w, minus 21. Okay, so they're the solutions for our algebra test.